Hello to everyone, my name is Ivan Sangüesa. I'm a student of Pathway, and actually I will present my code that I was working in the first week and requirement for the assessment. This is my server.js, and I configured all the requirement for Express with Node.js, and by example Node.js and the Express. And how it's work, I will present now my results here. This is my render. I will update. You see here how run it, and I have to my git hub github. That is correct. And it's all my file, the code that I was working on it. And by example, server, that is more important. You can see here my MVC structure, and the MVC structure, is considered routes and controller and database connection. I am forgiven one web server here is Mongo DB. I create here my online database that is not known SQL and database, and let me enter the here. No, I made a mistake. Sorry for my word sometimes it's not working well. The use for work with Mongo, that's allowed to work in an online database, and this helped because it's connected with GitHub too, and work together with render. Mongo store the information, all the information, but render run it, and we work together in outside my computer, I can say, or my client side. No, it's not client, my local server, that is correct word. And allow to work online is more useful to store in the cloud for me, for programming, and more dynamic. That is a first impression that I have here. For example, the client work with my document, where the requirement, where with render, with express, route, controller, Mongo store, and JSON response the requirement for the client. That was my idea. This is the first week. I hope to continue improving here and studying a lot for reach the requirement for this hard course that I am doing. Goodbye. Thank you very much for your day.